Now to the Idaho College murders and Bryan Kohberger's alibi. Prosecutors now trying to limit what the defense team can argue at trial. Kana Whitworth is tracking the case. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, George, good morning to you. So the prosecution wants to limit any alibi claims of solo stargazing to words from the defendant himself. They also want to restrict evidence suggesting someone else is responsible, and they want to exclude Bryan Kohberger's mental health evaluations.
This morning, a new legal battle brewing over accused killer Bryan Kohberger's alibi. In a new filing, the prosecution arguing the judge should limit the evidence Kohberger's attorneys can present to support his alibi for the November 2022 murders of Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin. Kohberger's attorneys, who say their client is innocent, have alleged that he was driving alone, stargazing, the night 4 University of Idaho students were stabbed to death in an off-campus home. But as the August trial approaches, prosecutors are asking a judge to bar Kohberger's defense team from offering any evidence beyond Kohberger's own words to support that claim, saying the defense has had 20 months to provide material to back it up and has not.
The defense is making the argument that Bryan Kohberger was out for a drive in no specific area or place, and that's his alibi. And they presented no witness to be able to testify to that. So the prosecution is arguing that if the defense does raise any argument about alibi, that it would have to come from Bryan Kohberger and no other source.
The prosecution also requesting to ban the defense team from offering any psychiatric evaluations into evidence. This after Kohberger's defense team filed under seal a motion to strike the death penalty on account of autism spectrum disorder. Prosecutors also asking the court to bar references to alternative culprits unless they have evidence specifically connecting them to the homicides.
Now, lead defense attorney Ann Taylor had argued unsuccessfully in the past that other male DNA profiles at the crime scene were not properly investigated. Also, prosecutors alerting the court that during the trial they plan to use this. It's a 3D model of the King Road house that was demolished. And a reminder, guys, this trial is still slated to start in August.
Yep, it is.